Hey, the weather is so unpredictable up here in Colorado. Because they said it was going to snow like around 2 this afternoon. So now it's 9:27 a.m. and I had just walked into the post office. It was not snowing before, and then all of a sudden I walk out and now it's snowing. Look at it. Dang. Yeah. Well, snow is beautiful. And to anyone that's coming to Colorado, make sure to always take a jacket with you, because one minute it will be hot, and then as soon as you come out, you'll walk into a building and it's hot, and when you walk out, it will be cold, ice cold. So always take a jacket with you. That's the tip of the day. Yeah. All right. Peace.